Hello, 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 ladies. Happy Black Friday sale. Everything is up and running. So I want to once again go over a few tricks and tips to help make your sale a success. First of all the sales are up and they are running. Free shipping, free standard shipping is applying. If your customer would like the priority shipping, don't forget you can upgrade. It's $8. You can upgrade, pay that fee. Your order will be pulled ahead. Otherwise, orders are just going to ship as they come in. Secondly, we're getting a lot of calls here at home office that's saying the special isn't working. We go in and do it and it's fine. So here are some tips and some reasons why. One, your customer might have mixed and matched a core bra with a Luxe bra. Remember, as we said yesterday, your core bras are here, your Luxe and your ready wear to here. They will not match. So if you buy one here and one here, it's not going to work. So you have to have two core bras to get the special. The other issue would be if you have three. So if you have three core bras, you will get two, buy one, get one, 40% off, and then that third will be full price. So if your customer calls and says the core bra special isn't working, you're going to first say, are you adding all core items? If the answer is yes, how many are you adding? If they say three, you're going to say there's your mistake. Either take away one or add another one. We're finding all morning long, typically people are doing the 4-pack and buying the 4 bras, but that's your first question to ask. If they still say it's not working, then you'll say, well, what else did you add? You might find they added a Jessie. You might find they added a Cami. Then you're going to say, oh, I'm sorry. Core bra special is the buy one, get one 40% off. The Luxe and ready to wear are buy two, and you'll get $10 off each. Two or more, $10 off each. Same thing, panties are fine. It's now reduced to 2. If you started the order yesterday, you might be getting some reciprocation from yesterday and it's looking for that special. It's not there. Just refresh your browser. You might want to clear your cache and start over. If you continue to hear that, in last resort, call us. But again, your Luxe is buy one, buy two, get $10 off, 2 or more, and it's mixed with the ready to wear. So your skirted leggings, your Jessie, your Chloe, your Emma, your Luxe Abby's, tank top, cami, tunic and dress, those are all in their own special. Core is in their special, buy one, get one 40% off. Cassie, Chrissy, Delilah, Posture Booster, Sophia, and of course our all favorite Black and Buff Abby are in there. So they're in their own special. So once again, if someone calls and says it's not working, ask first of all, are you adding for your core bra 1, 3, or 5? Well, then your answer is yes, it isn't going to work. You have to add 2, 4, 6. Go on that way. And then also our body wrap, our special sports bras, the sports bra by Glamorize, and our bralettes. These are in their own special category entitled Black Friday Special. You'll see it in your categories. Tell your customers to look for Black Friday Special. If you click on the bralettes, it's going to automatically ask you to pick 2 sizes. If it says it's out of stock, it's out of stock. So it's sold out, okay? You don't have to call and find out if something's wrong. If it says it's out of stock, that means it's sold out. So again, the sports bras, the Glamorize, the zip-up sports bra, and then the one that hooks in the back. The one that hooks in the back is the blue and the nude, and then the black and the pink and the black zip-up are all in their own category. Black Friday sale. The bralettes are in the Black Friday sale. It's going to ask you to choose 2 as you go. So there'll be a little kit content. Check your kit content. Make sure you check the right ones. And the body wrap is in there at $49. Just straight up add to an order. And that's pretty much it. That's my summary. So again, don't mix and match your core and your Luxe unless you're doing 2 in the Luxe and ready to wear and 2 in your core. That will be your biggest mistake, and hopefully this will help. If you think of any questions, or if you have any questions, reach out to Rep Support and we can help you out. Bye everyone, happy Thanksgiving.